subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
Motorola is launching its mid-range G6 series smartphone next week, and we just saw some cool renders of the trio. It's now turn for the entry-level Moto E5 to take a trip around a leak land as it visited Geekbench listing. Almost a month after the hands-on photos of Moto E5 Plus, the phone popped on the Geekbench, which reveals its primary specifications. The chipset listed as MSM8937 is the Snapdragon 430 by Qualcomm, coupled with 3GB of RAM, and the device runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. The rest of the specification sheet is yet to be announced, although we know that the E5 Plus will have an 18:9 ratio display and a fingerprint scanner embedded in the Moto logo on the back. The Moto E5 Plus is expected to announce on April 19th. So what do you guys think of the Moto E5 Plus? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.